Zip.
Give me five
Just,
five
just let
minutes.
me cool off.
Only 5 minutes, please. Give me. Hello. Where are you from?
Zakaria.
Where are you from?
Is that how you say your name, Zakaria?
Where are you from?
Zakaria?
Yeah. This is
Why are you not listening to me?
I am from Bangladesh.
Is that
Bangladesh.
correct, Zakaria?
Bangladesh. This is Zakaria Hussain from Bangladesh. Really? Are you from USA? Are you from USA?
You understand English?
Yeah, I can speak English. Really?
So, listen. Zakaria. Is that how I pronounce your name?
Zakaria. This is right pronunciation. Zakaria Hussain. Zakaria Hussain. Am I right? Am I right?
Thank you. That's all I asked.
Uh,
I am from Virginia.
uh, could you please introduce yourself within short sentence about yourself? With little sentence. Within little sentence. Give me your introduction. Really? I'm very interested to know. Yeah. Tell me. Within short sentences, please tell me. Tell me.
I just told you.
Please. It is simple. It is simple questions for you. Give me your introduction within short sentence means about yourself. About yourself within short sentence. About yourself. Really? Please start.
I got nothing to say about me.
May I ask you some questions, little questions? How old are you? How old are you?
You can find that on my bio.
I'm 30. I'm 30 years old. Basically, I am a private teacher. English teacher.
Oh, okay. Well, how long have you been driving?
Oh, I have been teaching my students since 20 years ago. I have 20 years experience for teaching my students.
Oh.
Really?
So.
Rematch. I'm very interested to talk with you. Please accept, please. Please.
I'm gonna give you the favorite, but
no, please.
Just favorite me, and we'll get back to it. Okay?
No, please give me 5 times. Give me.
Cool myself down.
Please listen. Give me 5 minutes.
Cool
Only 5 minutes, please. Give me. I request you to give me. Yeah.